Hello Anna. Now this is something, a sample I just cut out for you. This one here is still in pieces, this one I've sewn up. Now this is the back of the trousers pocket. This section here, another one, is the inner part of the pocket. This section here is representing the front of the trousers, but only I cut it in the shape of the pocket just to carry on, but imagine it coming down. So this is the front. So here we go. To make a lady's trousers pocket, first of all I sew these two sections together. Now this is a quick video, so I'm doing it with my phone in my hand. So I sew these two quickly together, then I turned it inside out, bagged it out, which I got to this stage. So this stage here, it's sewn, as you can see, inside. And then I ironed it. Right, so this is the inside. Now don't forget, this is the outside of the trousers or the skirt, whatever. Then afterward, when I've done that, there's the back of the pocket. Then afterward, lift that apart, and then I sew this section down. That section now is going to be overlocked and neatened up. Now this is the front of the trousers or the skirt, then it goes back on top, and if you wish, you just top stitch this if you wish, or leave it at that. Ladies trousers, this will be the main fabric. Sometimes you don't need to interline it, but you can. If you want to, you can just put something in it, and there it is. There's the pocket. Right, so my hand is inside. Yeah, right. Then when you've done that, this is the side of the trousers or the skirt. This section here, you can stitch this bit down, right, and everything is fastened. That's the pocket. It's so simple. If you don't understand this one again, by the time you put the waistband and so on at the top here, that is fastened. So everything's done. So that's how it is. So we've got one piece here, another piece there. So those are almost identical. And this is the back of the pocket. Ladies' trousers pocket. Anna, I do hope this is clear. Please email me again and we can talk further whether you've got it or not.